like Villarreal with the VOA Special English Education Report. Songs teach language. Consider a song like Tom's Diner by Susan Vega. An American teaching English overseas once told us that students love that song. Recently, we asked people on the Special English Facebook page to suggest other songs that English learners might like. Noemi Nito wrote, I'm one of those English students who love Tom's Diner. I started learning English with Lemon Tree by Fool's Garden. Another favorite is Charlie Madly Deeply by Cherry's Garden. Another person, Asitempunas, suggested the song God Only Knows by Ariothi. Youngie Yekker wrote that several songs from Sweden are perfect for classwork. Other good songs for learning English are the songs by the Beatles and John Lennon, as well as Louis Armstrong's Wonderful World. Paul Sylvester says Bob Marley's songs are amazing for teaching. Another teacher, Joseph Dicker, says songs by Johnny Cash have always worked in his classroom. He says his students can hear the words, plus the song often have stories. He also likes We Will Rock You by Queen and Beautiful Girls by Sean Kingston. He says young students love C is for Cookie by Cookie's Master from the TV show Sesame Street. Mina John Smith suggested these songs. It's My Life and We Would Burn to Follow by Bon Jovi. Also, Nothing Else Matters by Metallica. Aurelio Lorenzo Costa Guzman says he began to like English after his teacher played the Westlife song. I have a dream, he wrote. That was 8 years ago. I was in the 7th grade. And from that day on, my dream of improving my English skills became attached in my mind. Teachers can use these songs to convey the message to their students that they should have their own dream for the future. Aurelio's story was no surprise to another commenter. Kachu Kingakers, she especially likes songs by Michael Jackson and Queen. She wrote, when you listen to your favorite songs, you feel emotionally high, and it moves you to action. For VOA Special English, I'm Olivia Rio. Do you have any favorite songs for learning English? You can share other music suggestions for English learners at our website, voaspecialenglish.com, or on Facebook at VOA's Learning English. We are also on Twitter and iTunes.